Alright guys, who do we have here?
Chelsea.
Tyler.
What are you guys doing today?
Skydiving.
I'm gonna have a perfect good airplane.
Yeah.
Yep.
You must be crazy. Whose idea was it?
Mine.
Your idea?
Yep.
Your fault things go wrong?
Yep.
Any last words?
Yep. Love you boys. Family. I died having fun. It's quick.
No last
There you
words,
go.
because we're gonna
No,
hit
we're gonna
ground.
make it to the ground
We're gonna be
safely.
fine.
We're gonna take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down under parachute. You ready for it?
We're ready.
Let's go do it.
Rock it.
Go.
Have some fun. High five. High five.
I'm bad.
Here we go. Let's have some fun.
Let's do it.
Do it.
Alright guys.
Ready for this?
Ready.
You're not scared? You're not nervous?
No.
Ready. Have some fun. High five. Here we go.
Do it.
Only one way to go down. Ready? Yeah. 5,000? Halfway? No, you're not even close.
Thank you boys.
Welcome back, nerds. You did it.
Fuck yeah, I did it.
Alright, you just jumped out of an airplane.
I did.
How you feeling?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Actually, I think the falling.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Would you come back and do it again?
I would.
That's what we like to hear.
I would.
Thank you for jumping with us.
Thank you.